Hey guys, what's up? Godzilla fan here. I just found out what to do for this one. Yeah. It was that freaking simple. Right? Ooh, okay, there we go. Alright. Let's go with this one. Did it. That was so easy. That one was easy too. Alright, bruh. You won't do it. You won't do it. Okay, so we need him to get sort of these coins, so... Yeah. Okay. Now let's just fly. Now this one's freaking hard. Wow, retarded. Retard alert. Dead. Alright, so we got 2 stars. Oh, so you can't jump over those? Well, hey, at least there's like only one, right? Apparently it's such a raging thing because it's a lost freaking level, so... Alright, you know what? Let's just rush him. Is that what we all gotta do? We just rush him? Sort of. No, let's just keep on rushing him. Apparently that's a retarded move. Oh, come on, we were rushing him before. You know what, let's just kill him. Yeah, let's just kill him. Can we just please kill him? Oh, come on. Why is it so unfair to jump over those? Freaking rush him. Finally, come on, please. My God, just kill this sucker in his face, please. When is he gonna run? Huh? When are you gonna run? Never? Or are you just gonna keep on firing fireballs at me? Come on. Rush. Come on, dude. Run at me. Try and get to the goal. Just look how pro dodger I am. I see he just keeps on firing these things. Keeps on firing the fireballs. What the frick? He's not giving me a chance. He never is. In about a couple minutes, I'm gonna be done with this stupid, retarded game. As soon as I do not die. Okay, that's it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, now, subscribe, that's it. Bye.